Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're going to enable two-step verification now. First, verify you're logged into the exact Spotify account you want protected. Make sure your phone and primary email are handy because they'll receive codes and confirmation links. Next, choose your second-factor method. Install an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy, or prepare to use SMS. Doing this reduces account takeover risk immediately, and once you've chosen a method, proceed to Spotify's security settings to begin the setup process. Open Spotify's account security section and look for login verification options. Click to add a new two-step method. If using an authenticator, scan the QR code presented, then enter the one-time code shown. This links Spotify to the app. If using SMS, add your phone number and enter the received code to confirm. Make sure to save displayed backup codes or add a secondary phone number. These recovery options are critical because they let you regain access if your device is lost. Finish by testing the setup. Sign out and sign back in, then approve the login using your authenticator code or SMS. Once confirmed, store backup codes somewhere safe. Use a password manager or a locked note because they are your fallback. If you can't receive codes, first try backup codes or a secondary number. If that fails, gather account details and proof of ownership, then contact Spotify support for recovery. This process prevents lockout and keeps your music account secure going forward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.